Welcome back to 20 Bike, your go-to spot for the latest in motorcycle reviews and news. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 BMW G 310 GS, BM's entry into the adventure touring segment, packed with style, performance, and cutting-edge features. Let's see what this lightweight adventure bike has to offer. Design and build. The 2025 BMW G 310 GS retains the rugged, off-road-inspired design of its predecessor while bringing in a more refined and modern look. With a compact, muscular frame, the bike sports sharp body lines and a dynamic stance that gives it a true GS identity. The lightweight steel frame, complemented by long travel suspension, is ideal for tackling both urban streets and off-road trails with ease. The bike's height and ergonomics cater well to riders of varying sizes, ensuring a comfortable ride whether you're on a cross-country tour or navigating tight city streets. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 G 310 GS features a 313cc single-cylinder engine that's both efficient and fun to ride. The engine delivers a solid 34 horsepower, making it more than capable of handling highway speeds, yet it remains agile and responsive on twisty mountain roads or rough terrain. The 6-speed gearbox offers smooth shifting, and the refined power delivery means you'll never feel out of control, whether you're cruising or pushing the bike to its limits. Technology and features. BMW has packed the 2025 G 310 GS with advanced tech to enhance both safety and riding enjoyment. The new TFT display is bright and easy to read, offering key metrics like speed, fuel efficiency, and navigation info in a clean, user-friendly interface. It also includes Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect your phone or GPS device seamlessly. Safety features like ABS, a ride-by-wire throttle, and optional traction control ensure that riders have the confidence to take on any road or trail, wet or dry. Comfort and handling. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 G 310 GS hits the mark. The seat is ergonomically designed to keep you comfortable on long rides, and the well-tuned suspension soaks up bumps and rough patches like a pro. Whether you're on road or off, the bike's handling is superb, with responsive steering and a lightweight feel that's easy to maneuver, even in tight spots. The upright riding position also reduces fatigue during longer trips, making it a solid option for both experienced riders and those new to adventure riding. Price and verdict. At a competitive price point, the 2025 BMW G 310 GS provides a great balance between performance, versatility, and affordability. Whether you're a city commuter looking for a bike that can handle weekend off-road excursions or a beginner adventurer ready to tackle dirt trails, this bike has you covered. The updated features, solid build quality, and BMW's reputation for reliability make the G 310 GS a top contender in the lightweight adventure bike category. Outro. That's it for today's review of the 2025 BMW G 310 GS. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to 20 Bike for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.